Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a hard mattress softer. Begin by testing firmness with a pressure test and identify pressure points. Then add a memory foam or latex mattress topper for immediate softness. Break in the mattress with daily use and switches of bedding, use a mattress pad for extra cushioning, and adjust the bed base or slats to introduce slight give for better contouring and pressure relief. Memory foam offers deep contouring and pressure relief, while latex provides responsiveness and breathability. Consider thickness: 2 inches for light softness, 3 inches for significant change. Hybrid toppers combine layers for balanced support. Check density for durability and cooling features if you sleep hot. Match topper to your sleeping position to avoid misalignment and ensure edge support remains adequate when you sit or lie down. Also rotate and replace toppers when they show visible wear. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more sleep tips. Quick recommendation: try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum to keep your bedroom pristine with voice control and smart mapping. It saves time cleaning dust and crumbs that stiffen mattress toppers, and its suction helps protect bedding longevity. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Use a mattress pad, plush protector, or feather bed for extra softness without major cost. Loosen bed frame slats or add plywood to change support and flex. Try a mattress breaker or a heavy duvet to help soften new foam gradually. Adjust room temperature for foam responsiveness and flip or rotate mattress if allowed. If none work, consider professional softening services or replacing the mattress for long-term comfort. Small changes can make big differences overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.